Hey guys, it's Hanley, it's Wednesday, and you are watching Genderless Love. Topics for this week start off with, have you ever been harassed for being LGBTQ+, or have you ever witnessed someone being bullied for being LGBTQ+? I personally have never been harassed myself for my sexual orientation and or gender identity, but yes, I have witnessed lots of people being harassed for this reason. Just at school, in the hallways, or even people who don't identify as LGBTQ+, but I think we've all heard, "You're so gay," and all of that jazz. So yeah, I've heard that a lot in school and just around town, in supermarkets, yada yada. Yeah. Question number 2 is, who is your favorite LGBTQ+ musician? Am I allowed to say Tegan and Sara, or is that too obvious of an answer? Well, I love Tegan and Sara, but aside from them, probably Vanessa Carlton or Bria and Chrissy. I think they're awesome. And do you have any tattoos or piercings? Are there any that you want to get? I do not have any tattoos. As far as piercings go, all of my piercings are on my ears. I have my earlobes double pierced, and I have a cartilage piercing up here. And that's it. As far as ones that I want, for piercings, I would like to get my forward helix pierced, which is right here, and possibly my nose pierced. And for tattoos, I really want to get a daffodil growing near the ocean. In honor of my mom, her favorite flower was a daffodil, and her favorite place in the world to be was the ocean. So I want to get that on my side. I think that just about wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, my links and Genderless Love's links will be below in the description. And if you have any ponderings or thoughts or anything that you would like to share with me, please leave it below in the description and I will get back to you. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day and a wonderful rest of your week. Peace and love.